Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. Before we start, we can uninstall applications from this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly from the watch, and the other way is to do it through the phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Okay, first let's uninstall the application directly from the watch. So, to do it, press and hold the App/Menu button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the option called Activities and Apps. Once you find it, select it. Then scroll through the list, find the application you want to uninstall, for example this one. Select it, scroll down and find the option called Delete from Device. Tap on it, confirm by tapping on the check mark, and the app will disappear from the watch. And to uninstall applications from your watch through the phone application, let's bring our phone here. Of course, your watch needs to be paired with a phone to do this. Okay, and on the phone, we can open the Connect IQ Store application. I recommend to install it if your watch is paired with a phone, because this application makes managing stuff like watch faces, applications and stuff like that a lot easier, basically more convenient. And in the IQ Store application, tap on My Device, My Device Apps, and here we have the list of applications installed and not installed. Not installed list is basically the list of applications that were installed on your watch but you removed them, and then you can simply quickly install them again if you want to by tapping on one and tapping on Install. But we want to uninstall the application, so tap on the application you want to uninstall, tap on Uninstall, tap on Uninstall, and the application will be removed. If you go to your watch, scroll through the list of apps, you will see that it's gone from the list. Of course, once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.